Okay, so we are going to be unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's get right into it. So this is it. I've taken off the seal already. So this is it. Let's get into it. So this is the phone. This is it. Empty. Just take it off. Let's switch it on. We're getting okay. I'll be comparing this phone to the 16 Pro Max that I have. This is 512 and the 16 is 512. And so it comes with this accessories, as you can see, as usual. And then I got the head. Okay, I got this accessories as well. So it's on. We are in. So now let's take a look at it. Let's set up the phone. Click on inbox. Ghana in. So we click on Ghana. Let's get the Wi-Fi. So let's get the phone. Wait. Set up the phone. So I'm just gonna get my login.